Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between misty hills and sparkling streams, there lived a young boy named Armin. He was 10 years old, curious, kind-hearted, and loved to draw. Armin didn't have fancy toys or gadgets, but he had a dream to become the world's best artist. Every afternoon after school, he would sit by the window with a small notebook and a stubby pencil and sketch whatever came to mind. Birds flying in the sky, houses with smiling windows, and sometimes even flying whales and dancing elephants. His drawings weren't perfect, but they were full of imagination. One rainy day, as Armin walked home from school, he noticed something shiny lying near a puddle. It was an old pencil, golden in color with swirling patterns carved into it and a glowing blue gem at the top. Curious, he picked it up and wiped it clean. The moment he touched it, he felt a warm tingle in his fingers. That night, unable to sleep, Armin took out the strange pencil and began to draw a simple apple. As he finished shading the last bit, something incredible happened. The apple popped out of the page and landed right on his desk. Armin stared in disbelief. "No way," he whispered, touching the apple. It was real, crisp, red, and juicy. He took a bite. It tasted delicious. The next morning, Armin tested the pencil again. He drew a small bird. Flap! The bird fluttered off the page and chirped happily, flying around his room before perching on his shoulder. "It's a magical pencil," he exclaimed. From that day on, Armin's life changed. He used the pencil to create toys he could never afford, extra food for his family, and little gifts for his neighbors. But he kept the pencil a secret, hiding it in a box under his bed. One day, his class was holding an art competition. The winner would receive a scholarship to the city's best art academy. Armin wanted to enter, but he hesitated. Should I use the magical pencil? He wondered. It felt like cheating. After thinking for a long time, Armin made a decision. I want to win because of my own skill, not magic. So he put away the magical pencil and used his old, regular one to draw. The theme of the contest was a better world. Armin drew a world where children of all backgrounds played together under a rainbow sky, where animals roamed free, trees danced in the wind, and kindness sparkled in every corner. He poured his heart into every stroke. The day of the competition arrived. All the children's artwork was displayed in the school hall. Some drawings were neat, others colorful, but Armin's picture stood out, not because it was perfect, but because it was alive with emotion and hope. When the judges announced the results, Armin held his breath. And the winner is Armin. Cheers erupted. Armin was shocked and overjoyed. He had done it on his own. That night, he took out the magical pencil and whispered, "Thank you for helping me believe in myself. But now I know the real magic is in me." As he placed the pencil back in its box, it shimmered once, then slowly faded into light and disappeared. From that day forward, Armin continued drawing every day. He went on to study art, paint murals in his town, and one day became a famous illustrator known for creating magical worlds filled with kindness, adventure, and dreams. But he never forgot the golden pencil that taught him the most important lesson. Magic isn't just in pencils or objects. True magic lies in believing in yourself.